How to connect microphone to your DJI Pocket 3. So here's what you want to do. Turn on your DJI Pocket 3, and right here we want to scroll down like this until we get the settings. So click on settings. It's going to be this option here in the bottom left, this one. So click on it. Then you want to select wireless mic, and it should look like this. Now get your microphone and press the play or the power button here, which is going to be this one. So press on the power button and hold until this turns on. Now, as you can see, this should detect it and automatically link it, or if it doesn't, you will just click on TX1 or TX2, and once you press on the button here, you want to press the linking button, which is going to be this one, and once you press on it, if this is blinking blue, it means that it's in pairing mode. So you just press and hold on to the button until it detects it like so, and as you can see, you have the mic ready. If you see this line here, this line at the top, the green one, then it means that your microphone is connected. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.